Hey folks, this is Shetz, and we are on slide 8 of Class Kick, and it says 5.2 notes. Who cares about that number? And we've done perpendicular bisectors before. Just want to take a little bit of time to go over it. And perpendicular bisector makes a right angle. So we have a box right there with the bisector of the segment. So let me pull this out here. So there's our box here, and then this is the bisector that's cutting this segment exactly in half, so these two little pieces are equal. And then in our next theorem, if we have a point that is on it, look at x. If a point's up here, it's equidistant from these two endpoints. So let me scroll down, we'll look at that theorem. So here's point X right there, that point. If it's on the perpendicular bisector of the segment, then it is equidistant from the endpoints, which are endpoints A and B, meaning this piece and this piece are equal. If I picked a point, let me make a point here. How about this purple point right there? Guess what? That segment and that segment are going to be equal. That's all this theorem is saying. It's equidistant from the endpoints A and B. So let's look at this. AE is 7 and AG is 7. Well, guess what? I see the perpendicular. Therefore, because these are equal, this theorem works vice versa. Because these two sides are equal, this has to lie on the perpendicular bisector. We got the perpendicular bisector. So if this is 4, this guy is going to be 4. So what I would like you to do is just these 6 problems, and we'll have a real easy day. There'll be a Google quiz for you. Thanks, folks. Take care. Bye-bye.